So we have to find the area of the shaded region. So before we start the problem, there is something very important going on here. The region shaded is a triangle that is not a right triangle. So far, we only have two area formulas, the area formula for rectangles and right triangles. And yet, we are asked to find this area. So here is this very important principle that will be true for the entire course, is that if we only have these two formulas and we are asked to solve this problem, that means that this problem can be solved using only those two formulas. These are the two area formulas we're going to use. The area of a rectangle, it can be computed as the product of its two sides, and the area of a right triangle is the product of the two shorter sides divided by 2, because basically every right triangle is half of a rectangle. Okay, so let's get started. And here is what we're going to do. We're going to take the entire right triangle, where we can find this side is 10, this side is 12, and because this is a right triangle, we can find its area. That would be the entire region. And then we're going to subtract these three white regions. And we can find each of them because this is a right triangle, this is a rectangle, and this is a right triangle again. So that's the plan. So let's get started. So the big area is 10 times 12 divided by 2, which is 60. If units were not given, then we don't have to worry about units either, but we can also use 10 unit, 12 unit, and then 60 units squared. That's being fancy. So then let's call this area 1, area 2, and area 3. Area 1 is the area of a rectangle with sides 2 units and 5 units. So it's 2 times 5, it's 10 units squared. Okay, that was easy. Now the second area, A2, is the area of a right triangle with sides 5 and 2. So that means that area is 5 times 2 divided by 2, and that's 5. And finally, the third area is the area of a right triangle with sides 5 and 10. It's 5 times 10 divided by 2, that's 50 divided by 2, that's 25. We're pretty much there. The area we're looking for is the big area minus A1 plus A2 plus A3. And so the big area is 60, and the small areas are 10 plus 5 plus 25, which is 60 minus 40, which is 20. So the answer is the area of the shaded region is 20 square units. Thank you for watching.